what's up? Today I got a gorgeous Greek-inspired recipe for a hearty Greek sausage, artichoke heart, potato, and pea stew. I've been into the stews lately and it's one of my favorite recipes. Delicious, very easy to make, and fast. This will be done in under half an hour from start to finish, and it's just super simple. So first things first, let's fire up our burner here, our element. And for this, I am using 3 sausages, Greek orange sausages. You can use whatever sausage you have, not a big deal. These are pork, and just divide them up. And this is about a pound or so of sausage. Start off with my Greek extra virgin olive oil. Now, this is a browning stage. You don't need much. For this, I may be putting a couple, 3 tablespoons in this, and just going to let them sit in there. The trick to this, I'm going to be browning my sausages whole before I actually chunk them up and cube them up into pieces. All right, now with our sausage browning away, time to do a little prep with our other veggies. For this, 1 onion. And again, like most of my recipes, you can do a coarser chop, not a big deal at all. You don't have to go really fine if you don't want to. Whatever it is you're comfortable with. Perfect. Now our onion is done. Let's continue moving on. Potatoes. For this, I am using 3 potatoes. You can use 4, 6, depending on the amount you're making. I cut them into smaller pieces. I also leave the skins on. That's where all the vitamins are and the nutrients, and you know what? They also cook faster. Perfect. My potatoes are done. I'm using about 7, 8 artichoke hearts. I love artichoke hearts. I get them frozen. You can use canned. Whatever you have is totally fine. And all I'm going to do is just halve these. And this doesn't have to be anything complicated, nothing insane. Ooh, now we're getting some steam happening here. Let's check on our sausage now, see how it's doing. Woo! Now we're like doing something. Perfect. Flip the sausages over, just like that. Amazing. That looks absolutely fantastic. Look at that. Our sausages are pretty much 3/4 of the way cooked. They've been really heavily browned on both sides. So, time to just take them out here. And don't worry about a little smoke. Not a big deal at all. Now, for this, I'm going to take this off. And I'm going to add about 1/3 of a cup of my Greek extra virgin olive oil. This is where the magic happens. Let me get one of these, and it'll just make everything go that much smoother. Perfect. Take this, put it in there. I love that sizzle. Everything now will go into our pot. This is the beauty and the simplicity about this dish, about this recipe. It is crazy easy. So, perfect. Just move that there. Everything goes in there. Now, let me just grab my tongs and give that a quick stir just to get kind of everybody incorporated. Honest cooking. That's all this is. Real ingredients, honest cooking. And it's healthy. I'm going to take a couple of cloves of garlic here. I'm going to smash these down and just give these a quick slice up. Perfect. Just like that. Boom. Let me get that skin out of there. We don't need that in there. Perfect. Garlic goes in there. There's just something about sauteing garlic and onions in olive oil. Amazing. Perfect. Just like that. A little fresh cracked black pepper goes in. A little bit of kosher salt will go in there as well. And that's getting along just fine. Now, back to our sausages. With these sausages here, I'm just going to take them and just cut them into bite-sized pieces, just like that. Oh, by the way, these are my own sausages. I made these with some like really good friends back in late January, and you just can't beat the natural goodness of homemade stuff. I'm all about that. And I'm just going to add my sausages into the pool. Perfect, just like that. Flavors. The flavor profile. I'm going to be using mint. I'm going to be using dill. And very simply just slice this up. And even with the stalks or the stems, that'll work. Not big at all. Just a small bunch, just like that. Perfect. This will go in there as well. Time to add some tomato. In this case, I'm just using diced tomatoes. It's what I had in my pantry. But by all means, feel free to use crushed. You can use whole, whatever you like. You're also going to do about half of one of these cans of water that's going to go in this. And this will be your braising liquid and your cooking liquid. Next is the peas. I like frozen peas. You can't beat these. These are like absolutely gorgeous. You know, canned is good. I'm doing a solid cup to cup and a half. I like peas. I love them. They add a certain beautiful sweetness to a dish. Can't beat that at all. And last but not least, a little oregano. Greek oregano, naturally, like there's any other kind. But get this up there. Now, the whole trick to this now is bringing this up, stirring this, bring it to a boil, and just let this go pretty much until your potatoes are done. So this will take about 20-25 minutes. My favorite part. This is ready to go. It's been not that long. I turned it off about 5-10 minutes ago. Just want to take this. Whoa. Wow. Absolutely fantastic. This is literally like a gorgeous, gorgeous stew. It's very thick, very comforting, super delicious. Y'all know what this means. So grab a plate here. I just want to just really just put some out and just try just a little bit. Nothing much at all. I've got like some potato and some sausage, peas. Got a little bit of the artichoke heart. Looks absolutely fantastic. Wow, gorgeous. Absolutely fantastic. And these are meals you can make literally on any given night. You're done in way under an hour. I mean, for a real meal that this will feed easily 4 to 6 people without a problem. So, look at this. It's still really hot though, eh? Let's try these peas out. The herbs are really coming out in this. In my peas, I taste my dill. I taste my mint. Beautiful. I've got the flavors of the, look at this. My potatoes are almost like mashed potatoes. They're just so tender. Absolutely so tender. So good. And then, look at this. My sausage, done through and through. Remember, we browned it at the beginning. Oh, that smells so good. The orange of the sausage, sorry, because it's Greek orange sausage, comes through with the peas and everything else. Absolutely amazing. So delicious. Now, here's the thing with this. If you can't find the Greek orange sausage, you can simply use any pork sausage or any other sausage you like. It will totally work. You could even make this with chicken if you like. Beef. It is so easy. So easy. So my friends, that's it for this episode on how to make a very easy and quick sausage and artichoke heart and potato and pea stew. It is healthy, quick, and super delicious. Can't beat it. So until next time, take care, be safe, take care of each other, and also don't forget to check me out online at kensgreektable.com. Also, if you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.